Hello everybody! In this video you will see the process of creating butterfly shirt. There are a lot of videos on my YouTube channel. I painted on the t-shirts, on the jean jackets, on the jeans, but what I love the most is to paint on the buttons down shirts. Because t-shirt and jean jackets is our everyday clothing, but by painting on the buttons down shirts, you can create amazing, unique designer piece of wear. Real art fashion. If you want to see more designs on the buttons down shirts, subscribe to my channel. Also check out my Etsy shop for more unique handmade clothing. I put the link down below. So, let's begin.
I will paint on the white cotton shirt. It's a poplin fabric, the best fabric for the painting. Here is the image of the beautiful butterfly I will paint on the shirt. First I paint butterfly with pencil. Now I begin to paint with colors. For the dark parts of the butterfly wings, I will mix brown and black colors. Now I splatter the paint and I use all the rainbow colors. The painting is finished.
Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and write me your thoughts and your questions. And stay tuned for more unique handmade clothing videos. See you, bye bye.